Rajput, and she's my daughter,
Ishna.
So I went to Dr. Kiran Shetty sir because my daughter was falling down and she was facing problem, and when she fall down, then it was about to, her tooth was about to, permanent tooth was about to broken. Then he referred Dr. Rajiv sir, and we came here to meet Dr. Rajiv sir.
So she had complaints of frequent falls,
Yes, yes.
and when I examined her, what was the diagnosis?
So the diagnosis was like he recommended to do some blood test, and then when the blood test report came, then we got to know there is a deficiency of D3, vitamin D3, and also then he advised to do the elbow X-ray.
Before that elbow X-ray, I think we also did her knee X-ray, and you came with the knee X-ray by sir, and it turned out to be a knock knee.
Correct.
So the knees were knocking, and she was finding it difficult to
walk properly, and she was
correct. And that time, I think when I asked the elbow X-ray, you were
we were surprised. We were surprised why we are doing elbow X-ray. Then we got to know it is important to understand how much growth is left for her to become an
so for treatment point of view, that elbow X-ray lets us decide what sort of treatment modality to be used. So then I think we gave her vitamin D3, and then I suggested surgery. What was that surgery?
Yes. Then we were shocked. Actually, we heard about that is the only option. Then sir told me that is the only option.
So what we had planned in that surgery, what I had explained.
So in that surgery, he explained that will not be a longer surgery, and we will put the screws and plates so that we can stop the growth of that knock knees which is coming internally.
Inside. So we place a screw and a plate across the growth plate.
Correct.
From inner side. So the inner side temporarily stops growing.
Correct.
And the outer side is expected to grow.
Correct.
Over the period of time, and gradually the deformity will get corrected.
Correct.
As against if she wouldn't have had much of the growth left, then the only option was to cut the bone.
Bone cut surgery.
And do a big surgery. So thankfully she was in that phase where we could use this principle known as growth modulation. So when that surgery is done, then expected correction is likely to happen, and we had anticipated that by about say 6 to 8 months or so she should get corrected. So we did her surgery of growth modulation in which month?
I think on 29th of May 2024.
In May 2024.
Yes.
So what was your experience after the surgery? Crying.
Really scared and crying, and I was not able to cooperate because it was paining a lot.
Okay, on day one it had pain.
But I would tell one thing, we were scared, but thanks to Rajiv sir that she started walking on the same day. The surgery happened in the afternoon, and on the same day in the night she walked till the washroom and came back. So it hardly take longer time to do all the normal routine work. And she started going to school also, normal walking, cycling, swimming, everything she was doing after 2 weeks, I can say, maximum.
Okay. So she was doing with the growth plates, she was doing all the activities. And when we did the next X-ray at 3 months, thereafter, I think in next 2.5 months only she got full correction.
Correct. I think after 5 months.
5 months.
5 months. So we
total
did
duration
two
of 5
X-rays.
months.
Yes. So it was quite early, and the correction was happened, and we did the second surgery. Why? Because
removal of the
plates and the
So
screws.
if we don't remove, what is going to happen?
It was like it will go in the opposite
direction.
outside. So
the plate removal is mandatory.
Correct.
So,
At the right time.
After the plates were removed,
Then Ishna
did
will
it
tell.
pain?
No.
Now she is running properly, she is walking properly, and we are happy. Thanks to Rajiv sir that this has been corrected. We were scared, but I think no need to worry about. It's just a matter of time. After certain point of time, everything will be normalized.
So what you want to become as a, what's your hobby or what you want to become in life?
I wanted to be an architect
Okay.
or an interior designer, as I'm really interested in designing houses, and I think my taste in colors is really good.
Yeah.
So
Also adding to that, yeah, when the growth modulation surgery happened, like after 3 months, she did the horse riding also.
Oh,
Yes.
super.
Yeah, and she is very much into horse riding also.
Wow. Excellent. Excellent. Good choice. Huh? Good choice of sports, I must say. So, I wish you all the best for your future and have a great life ahead.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.